Mabuhay everyone! Welcome back to our channel! Today is extra special because it's our very first time attending Pista Sanayon here in Codinates, Montreal. We're so excited to experience Filipino culture, enjoy delicious food, watch live performances, and meet members of our amazing Filipino community. Come along with us and let's explore this wonderful celebration together. O ayun, star margarine na pink. Hanap-hanap ni ate. O ayan, Philippine product. chicken ng sariling atin. Mga palaman, cheese whiz, beer brand, may polvoron, kopya.
Oh, meron din ano to, set, manicure set. Yun, coffee. Kung kailangan yun, nakadalang ako araw-araw ako papunta sa trabaho. Kaya yung salad master, salad master. Yan yung ginagamit ng mantika. Walang mantika. Ha? Oy, si Ana. Ala, nilalamig si ate. Nilalamig na kamay mo? Oh, try again. Asan ba? Asan ba? Ayun.
Oh, sana
Free salad delivery. Meron ka na.
Sigurado kasi lang.
Ha? Porcelas?
Hindi aklong or kaya aklong.
Hindi ko nabasa. Meron din ako yan. Yung anong tawag dito? Yan. Yun,
Nakakauna di ko.
sungka namin ni Ate. Sungka? Yung lantern, magkano din kaya? Ha?
Nata kayang tikas to ni mo ito sura.
Uy, wala si Jacob yung nakiyan. Magaling sa chef.
Banyak sih kan. Ada tangan na.
Ladies and gentlemen, sa September 19 po, we have the Mrs. Philippines National Pageant at Gregor Auditorium. And today, you will see 3 of them performing with, of course, the
Thank you so much, Abang.
next one up is Daniel Mabanta.
Maligayang Pista sa Nayon, Montreal! For those who are visiting us, thank you for coming. This is what is good time and good food is all about. So please, I am asking everyone try the authentic Filipino food. They're serving at the back. They are serving it for affordable price. And yeah. You are the reason. Sa mga millennials, kantahin natin.
Ready ko na. What a wonderful experience! It was so nice to see the Filipino community come together to celebrate our culture, traditions, and delicious food. Since this was our first Pista Sanayon, my husband and I truly enjoyed every moment and we're already looking forward to the next one. If you enjoyed this vlog, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss our future adventures. Maraming salamat for watching and we'll see you in our next vlog. Bye!